Welcome! In this section, we are learning to transform graphs of functions. The graph on the left is the graph of f of x, and we must transform it to generate a new function, g of x equals negative 1/2 f of x plus 3. First, I will mark some key points with integer coordinates to help me with the process of transformation. A, B, C, D, and E. Let's also mark their coordinates. A is negative 8, 0. B is negative 4, 8. C is 0, 0. D is 4 with negative 4. And E is 8 with 0. Looking at our notes, we see that we must follow order of operations. Which means we will do the parentheses first, the multiplication by negative 1/2 next, and finally we will add 3. The parenthesis involves changing x. From our notes, f of x minus c shifts to the right 6 units, and points become x plus c comma y. So these are horizontal shifts. X plus c comma y. X minus 1 is a horizontal shift right by 1, and all x coordinates become x plus 1. That is, they will increase by 1. This means that point A will move to the right 1 unit to point A prime. A prime will be at negative 7, 0. B will move to the right 1 unit to B prime. B prime is at negative 3, 8. C will move to the right to C prime. C prime is at 1, 0. D will move to the right to D prime at 5, negative 4. And E will move to the right to E prime at 9, 0. We connect these points, making sure to maintain the curves or straight edges of the original graph. And now this new graph indicates the first transformation. Now the multiplication by negative 1/2 involves two changes on the y. The negative indicates a reflection about the x-axis, and the 1/2 indicates a vertical shrink by 1/2, where c is equal to 1/2, which is between 0 and 1. Again, reflections. The negative is about the x-axis, and vertical stretch or shrink when it is between 0 and 1, it's a shrink. Altogether, the y coordinates are now multiplied by negative 1/2 to give us the new points, while the x coordinates keep their original value. Under this transformation, A prime will become A double prime at negative 7, 0 times negative 1/2, which is negative 7, 0. B prime will now become b double prime at negative 3 8 times negative 1/2, which is negative 3, negative 4. b double prime. c will stay at 1, 0 as c double prime. d prime will become 5, negative 4 times negative 1/2, which is 5, 2. e will stay at 9, 0 as e double prime. Again, we connect a double prime, b double prime, c double prime, d double prime, and e double prime, trying to maintain the curves and straight edges of the graph, and this new graph now shows the second transformation as well. The final transformation is because of this plus 3 over here, which indicates a vertical shift up by 3. A vertical shift up by 3. All the y coordinates will become y plus c. This vertical shift will increase all y coordinates by 3, and the final points are a triple prime at 9, 3, b triple prime at negative 3, negative 1, c triple prime at 1, 3, d triple prime at 5, 5, and e triple prime at 9, 3. And after connecting them, I get the final graph of g of x that includes all three transformations.